If you're about to attend a concert, especially a K-pop concert, this will might help you to survive the day.
Here are the 11 K-pop concert tips.
This applies when you're going to a multi-fandom concerts where 3 or more K-pop artists will be performing in one night.
Expect that the concert will be filled with fanboys and fangirls who knew everything about their idols. Be familiar with their faces and some information that will be a great help. It is important to know the song as well. You will get to enjoy it more if you get to sing along and do fan chants with other fans. Number 2, money. Never ever forget your money. Bring enough. It is essential in surviving a concert. It is best for you to have enough money to feed your interest. It will be a good experience, so make the most out of it. Spoil yourself a bit. Won't hurt to reward yourself after a tiring day in school or work.
Of course, you'll need the right amount of money in order to survive the day. If you will only ride PUVs to go to the venue, spare enough money into it and also to secure that you can go back home. Umbrella. To keep you protected from the heat of the sun and rain. Who knows? Weather is unpredictable, so make sure to be safe.
Especially that we are living in the Philippines. Expect that there will be a long line before you can get inside. Umbrella won't take much of space inside your bag. Number 4, light stick. It is better to have the official light stick to blend with the crowd. All K-pop idols and groups have this so-called official color.
These are also a way to show your love and support to your favorite artist. Many agencies from South Korea are selling official light sticks that can cost 900 to 2,000 pesos. Better bring a camera if the organizers are allowing it.
Read and follow rules that are stated by the event coordinator. They usually don't allow professional cameras, but they allow digicams and phone cameras. We all want to capture and remember those moments. Bring extra memory card and power bank. Since this generation all have smartphones with them, it is always needed for communication. Also, your parents might call you back. Don't worry. Don't.
In case of emergency situations, it's better to have one. Also wear comfortable clothes, including your shoes. Wearing heels to see your oppas clear is a no-no. Please be considerate to the fans behind you.
Enjoy yourself and don't be bothered with those high heels or revealing clothes.
Go to the concert venue early. Your ticket goes with free seating or standing. It's better to go to the venue as early as you can so that you can see your favorite Mayans just inches away from you.
It is better to wait and be friends with other fans who have the same interests as you. It was crazy, but once you get to enter the venue, it will all be paid off. Bring food or drink inside the concert venue if it is allowed by the staff or event coordinator. It is best to already eat at your home before going to concert.
Stay hydrated to avoid any emergency situations. There are reports that some fans are collapsing before the concert. And because Philippines is a tropical country, you'll get to experience extreme heat outside the arena.
Be friendly and never ever get violent.
It's nice to have new acquaintances with the same interests, so why not try to help people around you? It's nice to fangirl over your bias before the concert starts.
Lastly, enjoy. This is your day. You paid for it. It will be a fun experience and you will never ever forget.
Enjoy the concert itself. Don't spend too much time filming the acts. Put it down and watch them with your own eyes. Chill and enjoy the music and have fun. Hope you can have a wonderful and memorable day on your first ever concert you will be attending.
Be safe and have fun!
Annyeong!